2013, I was here from my family. Me and my family went to Malaysia from Singapore. Yeah. And 2014, I was sitting on the jeep, but it's kind of funny. I was a child since I was 7 years old. Then in 2015, I have autism awareness and also picturing our family. It looks nice. Then also from 2017, when I was 10 years old, I was keep eating McDonald's, and also I know it looks good and my ears are good. In 2018, we went to Japan to picture the I was here holding my arms in the hand, and I was 11 years old. I saw the train from Japan. It's nice. In 2019, I was in US. Me and my family took a picture together in a road trip, and it looks good. In 2020, and I was 13 years old. Better 12. Okay, I went to the online class with Spectrum Circle with teacher Suli, and it looks nice. And classmates also. Teachers and classmates are on online class from COVID-19. It looks coronavirus. In 2021, I went to junior high to meet the Marymount Academy with the living in grade 7. It looks nice. When I was maybe 15, 16, 17, when I was until grade 10, it's nice. And 18 years old, I am good swimming, going somewhere. I am senior high from 2025. In 2026, we went to Boracay, picturing with our family. It looks nice there in the past months ago, and we went there to have fun, swimming, beach, and cooking from the sand. And now it's feeling okay. I'm still sick. It's nice. Like and subscribe to this video, and goodbye.